Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today we have another self-care video. So sit back and relax, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. So starting off with my shower routine, I always use an antibacterial soap first. So here I have a bar of Dow soap. Shout out to Necessaire. They were kind enough to send me some of their products. So first I'll be using Necessaire, the body wash, and it's in the fragrance eucalyptus. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, but it's not too minty. I love a eucalyptus, but sometimes it can be overpowering, the smell, but it's not at all. It's a nice, mellow scent. Next, we have Necessaire, the body exfoliator. Again, it's in the scent eucalyptus. Oh my gosh, this smells so good and it feels amazing. I love exfoliators for my face, body. It just feels so good. It's not harsh or abrasive. When you rinse your skin off, it feels so smooth. On to face care. Joire Skin was so kind enough to send me some of their products, and I was sharing with you guys how I feel about them. The first product from Joire Skin is their Calming Green Tea Cleanser. It says it's great for all skin types and it's fragrance free. Oh my goodness, it smells so freaking good. It smells just like green tea. It feels good on my skin. It's a clarifying foaming wash. Some of the ingredients are purifying witch hazel, bergamot, and grapefruit essential oils. OMG, when I tell you this feels so good on my skin, I love this. Definitely will be a staple in my skincare routine. Next product from Joire Skin is the Deep Cleanse Microfoliant Scrub with Oatmeal. Again, it's fragrance free and it's for all skin types. So you just put a little bit of palm of my hands, add some water to it to make like a paste consistency, and go ahead and exfoliate gently. Of course, I sped this clip up. Also, you can add some of this oatmeal exfoliator with your cleanser to get a deeper cleanse, or make the paste a little thicker and put it on as a mask and leave it on for a couple minutes and then rinse it off. Back to my old faithful Vaseline. I tried different lip treatments, but nothing beats my old faithful Vaseline. Okay, going in with my favorite toner, which is the Ordinary's glycolic acid toning solution. Love it.
Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kind of lonely, but I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? Looking for somebody I can call to, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you.
Next, I'll be using Joire Skin Be Bright and Renew Multi-Action Eye Treatment. Again, this is fragrance free and it's for all skin types. So I have been using this for about a week and a half, and I can't tell you if it's working for me yet. I have to use it a little longer, but I'll definitely keep you posted. This right here, the Chamomile Essential Healing Oil is my favorite product from Joire Skin. I love using oil as a moisturizer at night. Chamomile oil is great for sensitive skin. It helps with irritation, also acne, eczema, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, and inflammation. I freaking love this oil. Oh my gosh, and it smells good. Now I'm going to moisturize my body with Necessaire, the body lotion. It's fragrance free. I actually really like that this moisturizer is fragrance free because if I want to put on some perfume, it's not going to clash. I've been taking Array multivitamins in the daily cleanse for about a month and a half now, and I love them. They smell good and they work, if you know what I mean about the cleanse. I want to thank Bread Beauty Supplies for gifting me some of their products. Since my hair is braided, I just use their Scalp Serum Cooling Greens Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. So with this, you could use it while you have a protective hairstyle like I'm doing, or you could use it as a scalp treatment. Put it in your scalp, on your hair, let it sit, and follow your hair care routine. Go ahead and wash your hair, co-wash it, whatever you would like to do. This soothing anti-itch treatment feels like a cooling gel, minty tingly. OMG, my scalp loves this right now. Have you tried any of the products that I used in this video today? If so, let me know how you like them, and do you want to try any new products? Let me know. List them down below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.